Welcome back to Design Bundle's YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal, and today we're going to make stickers with our silhouette. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but Silhouette actually has these really fun holographic sticker sheets, so we are going to put them to the test today. So I'm going to take you guys over to Silhouette Studio so we can design these out, get them ready to print, and then we are going to come back and load the material. Over here in Silhouette Studio, we are ready to go. I've already uploaded my design here, and as you can see, this sticker sheet is ready to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my page settings. I'm going to choose 8.5 by 11, and then I want to turn on my registration marks, as you guys can see here. So once you have those turned on, at this point, you want to go ahead and figure out about what size you want to cut this. So I'm just going to figure out which size I think is best for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and size those down. Once you're happy with it, you're going to click on the printer right here, and then it's going to show you a print preview. If you weren't happy with this, you could hit cancel and keep working, but I'm happy with it, so I'm going to go ahead and hit print. From here, you're going to choose the printer that you're going to print with. So for me, I'm going to be using my HP printer. So I'm going to go ahead and just come right up here to the top and change those settings. So we're going to choose our HP, and then we're going to go ahead and hit print. And I've already loaded my sticker sheet, so it's ready to go. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and hit send. So you want to go ahead and go to your send page. And now we would need to choose our material. Since this is a silhouette material, I can come up here and start to type out holographic, and it's going to pull up those settings. Now for me, I tried to cut this out a few times, and these settings were just not good enough. So I changed my blade to 10, my force 33, and my speed 6. Now you could always leave the settings the same and then just change the passes to 2 or more to get it to cut correctly. So we're ready to cut it out. Now that we have our sticker sheet printed out, you guys can see how cool that looks on the holographic. So this sticker paper has built-in registration marks, so you can notice that those corners are gone, as well as the registration marks here. So you just want to make sure you get your stickers right there in the center. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is load this right on our cutting mat. So I'm just using the 15 by 15 mat, and I'm just going to load this on here. So we're ready to go. I've got it loaded on my 15 by 15 mat here, and we're ready to load it into our machine. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit send right over here from the computer, and then you're going to notice it's going to go ahead and load it in, and it's going to read those registration marks. All right, so now that this is done cutting, we're going to go ahead and hit the unload button, and we're going to remove this from the mat. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip it upside down and peel at an angle. And just like that, you guys have Kiss Cut holographic stickers. I do recommend that you guys bring the force all the way up, as well as your blade all the way to 10, or you could leave it as is and do 2 passes. This stuff is super duper thick, and I did go through a few sheets of it to figure those settings out. So like I said, either do 2 passes as is, or bump it all the way to blade 10 and force 33. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.